When any installation and/or repair work is done by Ned Stevens, we will always arrive in a Ned Stevens truck, which is lettered with our company logo, and our team members are always in a Ned Stevens uniform. But our foreman will always ring the doorbell or knock on the door upon arrival. If you are home, our men can surely point out the area of repair or installation. First, the old miter must be removed. The foreman will remove the old sealant with a wire brush attached to the drill. The foreman will now install the new miter into the existing gutters. Once the miter is secure in place, we will seal the miter with our GeoCell brand silicone-based sealant, which is considered the best in the business.